Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, now I will presentation about my letter is the topic is analyzing media application letter. Example of the application letter and is like this, and organization of ideas. The ideas in this letter are organized into their main parts, into three main parts. The first paragraph is opening paragraph. The writer introduces himself and states the purpose of the letter, applying for a job. And the second paragraph is body paragraph. The writer explains their qualifications, skills, and reason for applying. And the last paragraph is closing. The writer expresses gratitude of hope for a response and the letter politely. And next, the tone of the letter. Formal, the writer uses standard and professional language. The second polite, the writer uses respectful expressions such as I would like to and thank you for your consideration. And the third, concise, the message is delivered clearly and directly without unnecessary details. And the last, respectful, the writer shows respect to the reader and their musician. Okay, next, language feeders. The language feeders used in the letter include the first formal vocabulary, like words like express, appreciate, and consideration. Polite expression such as I would like, appreciate, and I look forward to. The third, passive voice, used when needed to sound more formal. Okay, next, grammatical query, correct grammar and tense structure. And the last, sentence clarity. Sentences are clear, simple, and easy to understand. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's it for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.